right, so we got a couple things we are checking on today. One is for our Z06 order that we put in on Friday. We're going to go out to the dealer and just check on the allocation, make sure it goes through. I believe for tomorrow, make a couple updates. I want to do a museum delivery, so that'll help us hopefully get the vehicle sooner also. Second thing we're doing is we're heading out here to Buckeye, Arizona, heading to Jones Ford. So they said they would give me the first allocation for the new Dark Horse. We're going to head out here and see exactly how we can price and build this vehicle, and hopefully everything's able to be put in today on the Dark Horse. Here we are. Let's check out the dealer. So we just got out here to Jones Ford. We're getting ready to talk with our salesman, see how things are. Got some nice classics out here. Alright, we'll be right here. That's clean C8 that you got there. So we just put our order in. We are actually waiting for the order banks to open up, and we are not getting the handling package. So we got the appearance package. Hopefully everything goes in. I decided not to get the handling package because it can be, according to them, they may not build the handling package during certain times of the season. So to make sure I get the vehicle in a timely fashion, I'm going to go ahead and take that option off so there won't be any issues. So we're getting the Dark Horse. The color is going to be blue, emerald, metallic. We've got the appearance package. Doing the 10-speed automatic transmission. I definitely can't be sitting there putting that clutch in all the time. But it's nice. Got the Recaro leather trim seats. We'll see how it looks. Here's Josh to kind of go over the rest of our stuff. Say hi. He's out here at Jones Ford. So if you guys are looking for a vehicle, just give him a call, and I'll let you guys know how things work out. So here we are. We're about to take off out here at Jones Ford. They got a nice facility. About 8 years old. And they're going to put everything in for us. So we are definitely, they say we are going to have the #1 priority for them. So really, I don't know how long the thing's going to take to get built. But we're definitely going to check it out. We've got the C8 we're going to be definitely keeping. You can see it right here behind me. And we also have the new Z06 that's coming. So hey, stay. All right, so let's take a look at exactly what we put together on our package for the 24 Dark Horse. You can see we got the blue emerald metallic. To get that color, you had to get the premium trim package, which I didn't mind getting, so I went ahead and ordered. But I definitely wanted that color, it's unique color only to this vehicle spec, meaning you can't get that color in like the GT or lower trim packages. So we got the upgraded trim package with the premium group 700A, which gives you all the standard upgraded features. There's the appearance package there for $12.50, and then we also added the Recaro leather bucket seats, the automatic transmission, 10-speed automatic, and destination and delivery. So we're out the door, or before taxes, we're at $67,655. Now I just got an email. Let's go check it out and see what that says. So here's the email that we got yesterday, right after we left the dealer. Came in at 2 o'clock. Definitely lets us know that our order has gone in on the new Dark Horse Mustang. Nice to see them prioritize. Basically letting us know that we are one of the early orders. So, hey, listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and stay tuned for more updates on the new vehicles to come.